Yeah, so me and one of my students were basically looking at a TikTok and recreating a bass from it. It's a tape B bass. It was at like Mission Ballroom. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to be recreating something like this. We just want to make a sustain bass, like a tape B style sustain bass. We'll add a couple effects, and I want to show you some simple techniques. This full preset will be in my Patreon, so you can get that there. Otherwise, just watch, and we'll go ahead and make this here, and I'll show you how to make variations. So we have this sustain bass that we can actually change notes here. We're in octave 1, and we're in D minor. So you can kind of make your own. So many different notes. You just use D minor, start home, take a journey up to the 5th, kind of go down, back, leading to home. You know, you can kind of just practice doing that. It's real cool. This has an OTT and a shifter and a soothe. But first, let's just look at we have this flanger. It's doing a lot. On the effects, I'll turn these off. So we start with oscillator A. And we'll go -1, but this will be in octave 0, essentially. This is going to be on wavetable position 6. Turn on PD from B and go up to 39%. Then the level goes all the way down, and add the LFO to the level and make this shape here on 1/4 rate. That's going to be the start. We'll have that sound. And then we want to turn PD from B up to 39%, which will allow oscillator B to be heard. Turn on oscillator B, turn the level all the way down. I'm on analog BD sign in analog. And then wavetable position 78. The PD from B and the sync knob can be changed whenever you want. Right now the sync is at 2.61. Listen to when I change it. So we're going to be using that a lot to actually make new variations and new basses. This is on octave 0. So filter 1. I'm using any one of these in the flanges. I picked flange minus, and this is just adding some metallic tones. I made sure to turn the drive up to 27, turn the res up to 36 to just amplify it more, and the cutoff is set to 249. The LFO is moving it a little bit, 6%. There's another knob that you can move, this cutoff. It'll change the tones. You can kind of have fun, pick whatever you like. That is it here. Go to the effects section, add distortion. Turn up the drive to 28%. We're on rectify. You can choose how much distortion you want. Doesn't have to be at 100. The compressor, we're going to 11.9 gain. Phaser mix is at 69 naturally. Feedback is 53% and frequency 2349 Hertz. Compressors, compressing it, pulling up those existing frequencies. Phaser is, making it move left and right. The stereo image a little bit. The mix is at 69. Phaser's on now. Convolver is on growlish, size 55%, decays at 6 seconds, mixes at 20%. Adding a little bit of reverb, convolution reverb, a little bit of metallic reverb. So this is a great foundation you can work from, using this like square as the foundation, pulling in a sine wave at a higher octave, adding some metallic tones with the filter, amplifying it with the effects and adding some reverb, and then the shifter. So before, then after. We'll put the dry and wet on 47%, and it's on freak mode every time. Fine is at 1.02. This is a super sensitive knob right now. Listen to how it changes as I barely move it. Some sections will be messy, so you got to find the sweet spot. There's many sweet spots. You can choose your favorite, you know what I'm saying? And this dry and wet being halfway is kind of what gives it that sound. If it was at full, it's not the same. What's kind of making it go phasery, you know? Then OTT to end it off. These are the company OTT. It's a little bit more minimal than the original one. Just copy these settings, turn off the lows right here. 67%, 12 dB. Nice. Compression, always really good. And then harsh frequencies are here. So we're just going to use Soothe to reduce those harsh frequencies. So cool. And then now it's loud enough. Technically, you can, you know, keep pushing it louder and keep cleaning it, but this is a good spot. And I'm just mixing it down to like -2. Really cool bass to mess with. I'm going to be making another phaser video here soon as well, because there's many different like phasing plugins that we can use. But if you have any other basses that you want me to make, let me know in the comments. And if you want to get full projects, go to my Patreon and start learning as soon as possible. Hit me up. I do private lessons all the time. DM me on Instagram or Discord if you want to communicate with me right away. Otherwise, have a great day. Peace out.